Let's get ready to rumble! Y'all ready for this?
Good morning, Morgan Middle School. Welcome to the final week of March Madness. This week is dress up days. Tuesday, we're closed to support your favorite college. Wednesday, dress up for the career you want. Thursday is college hat day. Friday is bright colors. All clothing must follow the MMS dress code.
Students, check the lost and found. Anything left in there will be donated March 28th. The Student Council has hidden 4-leaf clovers around the school. If you find one, take it to Miss Carter for a treat. Clovers will not be hidden in bathrooms, locker rooms, or classrooms.
This month, the Library Reading Challenge is to read any book besides pictures or graphic novels. It's an individual challenge, and the top boy and girl who reads the most books gets a $10 McDonald's gift card.
This is the last week for March Madness book bracket in the library. Students can vote their favorite book to see who will win this year's March Madness book bracket. April 23rd, the book club will meet up and discuss the Alan Grant's book, Allies. It will be right after school. There are copies available in the library that can be checked out.
There will be art extension this Thursday, March 27th after school. We are working on finishing our hoodie designs. It is important to come to this one so we can finish everyone's designs. Mrs. Winterbottom plans on ordering the designs over spring break so they can be ironed after the break. See you there.
Sixth and 7th graders, if you would like to run for next year's Student Council, applications are in the office. Fill out the applications completely and then turn them into the office or to Ms. Carter by Thursday, April 10th. You must be a full-time student to run.
Please stand and repeat after us.
I can solve problems and challenges.
I control my own happiness.
I can make a difference. Have a great week, Wolverines!
Y'all ready for this?